Hey friends, if you encounter error setting traits on provider on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. The first solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a DISM scan. Actually, it's not required because you already performed the SFC scan. So, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. And the third solution is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. So, search for Memory Diagnostic in the Windows search bar and go to Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on Restart Now and check for problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice